everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8.
In this video, I will guide you on how to change currency in KuCoin. So if you also want to change currency in KuCoin, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.kucoin.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of KuCoin. Make sure you're logged into your account.
You can see several options over here. You can see option for buy crypto, markets, trade, derivatives, etc. At top right corner, you'll be able to see these kind of lines over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see three options over here: download, language and currency. In order to change the currency, all you have to do is click on the currency option. Now several currencies will be shown. You can see several options over here. Now click on the currency of your choice.
Now you can see over here your currency is changed. So that is how you change currency in KuCoin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.